So just in case you're wondering what my natural hair looks like, I'm just here to show you guys. Should I start a natural hair channel or not, or what? Yeah, yes. So this is my natural hair, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, you're welcome, and if you're returning, you're welcome as well. So yeah, as you guys can see, I'm feeling this hair so much. Like, I love this hair. I love this hair. I love this hair. Can you guys tell I'm feeling myself so much? This hair in my mouth. Anyway, so I'm just going to be telling you guys everything about this hair that I have on. No, it is not my natural hair. I put this up on my story and I said, in case you're wondering what my natural hair looks like, and my DMs were going crazy. This is not my natural hair, guys. This hair is from myqualityhair.com. I'm going to leave all the information about this hair in the description box below, how you guys can purchase it and everything about that. So I'm just going to be showing you guys how this hair came, the packaging and everything, and I'll be telling you guys everything I know about this hair. So I'm just going to be reading from my phone now. Let me see. So this hair texture is Indian Remy hair. This is the Afro kinky Indian Remy hair, and the color is the natural color. And this hair that I have on is 14 inches. This is the 14 inches Afro kinky Indian Remy hair, and it is 150% density. And my wig cap is a 6-inch lace frontal, so like it goes 6 inches from here down, so you can part it as long as you want. As you guys can see, this is a deep part, and there's even more behind. I didn't go all the way down, and it is, my lace came as a medium, it came in a medium brown color. So this was a medium brown color lace. I did bleach it, and I over bleached it actually, and so I had to like bleach my roots back to color black. And my cap size is medium 22.5. And yeah, all right, so I watched a review on this hair. I watched several reviews actually on this hair before I installed it, and a couple of people, about 3 people, said it sheds badly, but then those reviews were as far back as 7 months ago, 6 months ago, and I think they saw the reviews and they improved, because honestly I experienced little to no shedding because I combed it. I did co-wash this hair and I combed it a lot. I was doing a lot of detangling because I didn't want the curl pattern that it came with. It was quite, the curls were quite tight, and then I combed it out, and that's why it looks like this. I really hope you guys can see what it looks like, and it's a bit straight down here. It's a bit straight before it goes curly, and I experienced little to no shedding, so I believe they worked on it. I was actually expecting a lot of shedding because of the reviews I watched, but then those reviews were as far back as 6 months ago, like I said. And if you want to get this hair, let me see, I'm going to check, I'm just going to go on the website and check how much this hair retails for. So I have put all the details about this hair right now. It amounted to $151.75, and if you use the code Sarah, just Sarah10, I'm going to leave it somewhere on the screen. Use the code Sarah10 and you're going to get $10 off of your order. So you guys should use my code so you get some money. I'm not going to be making any commission from this or any profit, so you can use it and you know that you're getting $10 off of this purchase, you know. Okay, yeah, so yeah, that's all I have to tell you guys about this hair. So if you want to see how I installed it, just keep watching. It was very easy. I didn't do any plucking whatsoever. I just bleached the lace and cut off the what do you call it, the lace from the hair, the excess lace, and that was it. I didn't do anything else, and I want to say this is like the best hair I've tried in a while. Like, if you know me, you know that I normally go for long hair. I didn't really know how to feel about trying this hair out, but then honestly I want to say I can say that I love this hair so much. And I know curly hair is high maintenance, but I don't know, this, it didn't really give me a tough time detangling and doing all of that, probably because I used a detangling brush. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this hair, keep watching.
Ever since I left the city, ever since I left the city, ever since I left the city, 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 left the city.
Ever since I left the city, you got exactly what you asked for. Running out of pages on your passport. Hanging with some girls I never seen before.
You used to call me on my cell phone. Ain't that where you need my love? Call me on my cell phone. Ain't that when you need my love? And I know when to holler at me. I could only mean one thing. And I know when to holler at me. I could only mean one thing.
We on
Ever since I left the city, ever since I left the city, ever since I left the city, 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 left the city.
Ever since I left the city, you got exactly what you asked for. Running out of pages on your passport.
Hanging with some girls I never seen before. You used to call me on my cell phone. Ain't that where you need my love? Call me on my cell phone. Ain't that when you need my love? And I know when to holler at me. I could only mean one thing. And I know when to holler at me. I could only mean one thing.
We on
City, Ever since I left the city, ever since I left the city, ever since I left the city, 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 left the city.
Ever since I left the city, you got exactly what you asked for. Running out of pages on your passport. Hanging with some girls I never seen before.
You used to call me on my cell phone. Ain't that where you need? Call me on my cell phone. Ain't that when you need my love? And I know when the holiday.
Guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment below. Let me know if you like this hair. Would you be purchasing it? And yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Bye.